This is Lucy and Liz reporting. You can make ice cream at home. You need light cream, heavy cream, sugar, vanilla essence, ice cube, salt, and one big and one little Ziploc bag. First, you pour the 2 creams with the vanilla essence and sugar into the little bag. Then place the little Ziploc bag in a larger bag full of salt and ice cube. Make sure to zip this Ziploc bag up. Shake these bags for about 5 minutes and you'll get ice cream. Wait! If you like this video, like and subscribe!